and welcome back to Keyboard Surfers. So today is the day 5 of the tech week and today we are going to learn how you can make mind maps. So there are basically two ways you can make them. First way is by using MindMaster, which is the easier way, and the second way is that you might have seen some educational videos where there's a blackboard and over there you can draw. So for that you can use a software which is known as Sketchbook, and for digital mind maps you can use MindMaster. So we will learn about them one by one. So first we can learn about MindMaster because it's very simple and it's way easier to use than Sketchbook. So first of all you will just open a new file. So it's pretty simple. You can just type the main topic over here. If we type, let's say, Tech Week, and then we type the main topic inside the topic, let's say Monday. The spelling was correct, not correct I mean, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. So if we have written Tuesday and Wednesday, so these are the topics. Now I can create subtopics inside these. So how can you do that? Just go over here, do control, enter, control, not like that. Do control plus enter. You can do, what you can do is this, and you have created more topics just like that. But now I'll teach you how you can create subtopics. So subtopics are basically the topics inside of a topic. So here you can use control plus enter to do that. Let me increase it a little. You can see a subtopic. You can create as many subtopics as you want. I'll just quickly delete all these. Now we will learn that how you can get different kind of themes and all that. So there is a theme option. You have many that are free, available for free, but there are many which are premium. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it, but if you ask the best for the free version, according to me it's this one. And that's not it. You can also just create a folder out of it and then you can do all the stuff and you can manage everything from here. Then the next thing that you can do is you can give something like main topic, emojis and symbols, and you can use these. Now over here you can get clip art. So if you search for human, so sometimes it comes, sometimes it does not, but clip arts are basically that clip arts basically are the arts that are given in here. You can just use them. Now if I go on to picture, you can see that I can put any picture. Then if I click on office, so you can see all the things for office are here. Then I search for humans, so there are some humans, but they are usually premium. So what you can do to search them, just clear the tab, then go over here, select whichever category you want. Let's select education. You can get some things just like that. So these are basically clip arts. All of these may not be available, but some of them are, so you can just use that. Or the other thing that you can do is just want to Google, download an SVG from Pixabay or your favorite website and then just paste it over here and that will work. Now there are tasks that you can give. It does not really matter according to me, but you can still do. Now you can create tables just like that. Okay, but the tables are like some premium features and they may not work every time. So you will have to subscribe to the Wondershare Filmora, not Wondershare Filmora, Wondershare Mind Map, so that you can use everything. Now over here you can see a button for floating topic. Floating topic is kind of a topic, but it's floating, it's not attached to anything. You can give a floating topic anywhere. There are formulas for, like, many of you who use Excel, they know what they do. So these formula basically make your work easier by giving some math formulas in here. And you can give hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are, if you'll click on this, you'll go here, or whatever you have set. Attachment you can give in this format. Then you can write some note over here like that, and then okay, so you can see that you will get a note button. Over here can you see, you can get a comment, you can see the comment, you can give a tag, hello, add, okay, now it's having a tag. So tag does not basically do anything, it's just to give it a tag. Next you can do is layout. You can select the types of layouts from here. You can see that there are many ones, some of them are premium, some of them are not. You can also give numberings and you can also change it over here and just like that. So that was basically all the things that you need to know in Wondershare Mind Master. So this is a great app for creating mind maps, I know that, but this is not at all like the next level thing. For the next level thing, like you might have seen educational videos, so you might have seen educational videos, there's a blackboard and they are typing, so they are writing it with mouse or graphic tablet and it looks better, and over there you are more like free to create it. But in Wondershare Mind Master, it feels a little suffocated. So I'll be telling you the best way you can create them. You can go to sketch, you can type sketchbook, type sketchbook, come over here, free download, and it will download pretty quickly. It's not at all a heavy or a big software. You can see that it's only 87 MB, and after you have installed it, then you can run it and then I'll show you everything. So it will not take time. Till it's happening, you can go and like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends so that they will be helped with this too. Now over here I have got an file, so I'll just quickly close my Google Chrome. Now I'll come over here. You can see you will get something like this. Double click on it, and this type of installer is usually pretty slow, so it may take some time, but it will work at last. I accept. This is a safe software, don't worry. Now you can just see that it's installed. Next, you want to be associated, so you can select PNG, GIF and BMPS. These are the most basic ones. You can select whatever is your need. Now this one, I already told you, this installer is pretty slow, so it might take some time to start it, but after it started, it will happen pretty quickly. Just disable this, finished it. Okay, done. You can see that you have sketchbook now, so you can just open it. Okay. Now he is telling you about these things. You can do that, but it seriously does not matter. You can watch this. So right now the thing that I'll be telling you is that how could you record videos like that. First of all, you would need a screen recorder. Proper screen recorder would work. But the next thing that you might be wondering is that all this stuff on the screen looks so messy. Can't we do something for that? So yes, absolutely you can do something for that, and there's a way you can do that. For doing that, you'll have to close it, open it again. Then you can see that it's like this right now. Now what you'll do is just you'll drag this out of the screen somewhere near here. Then you can drag this here. Now about these, let me see, you can add these to the corner of the screens so that they won't be clearly visible. Now after that, what you can do is click over here, then select this, so it will only show this, and after this you can select whatever you want to choose. Now after you have done that, you can do the full, and then you can just like that, you can go over here, and then whenever you want to select something, you can select it from here also. It does not matter. Or if you want something pretty specific, just quickly do that then select the tool that you want, and now you can draw pretty great mind maps. Now I'll show you a tutorial how you can do that. First is that I'll just quickly see how you can create a circle. It's pretty easy. Now you can create a straight lines, like you will do a symmetry like that. So if you do not understand what did I mean by symmetry, so see this again. So if I draw this and then draw that, you can see that it's automatically being drawn over here. Now for example, I'll just do it till the center. Now if I'll create a circle over here, I can create some shapes like that also. Then I can just do stuff with them, but right now I'm telling you about the symmetry. So let's see that first. So right click over here, then you have to click symmetry Y. Now you can also enable symmetry X, and now you can position them somewhat like that. So whatever you will draw over here, let's say, it will be automatically drawn everywhere, and it's a great tool according to me. So you can see it looks pretty awesome like this, and you can easily create some great mind maps with this also. It's pretty simple to do that. Now if you click over here, you will get some tools like pencil. So you can see that it makes it look pretty awesome. Now if you don't even want too much drawing, so just do that. It will automatically create a great pattern for you. You can see that how good it looks. It's pretty hard to create something like this in a small amount of time. So you can see that why is it so helpful. Now you can also zoom out and zoom in. That's a different case. Everyone knows that. Just quickly do that. And now what I'll be telling you is that you can come over here, then you can see the zoom button, and then you can adjust your zoom. Now you can just drag it also like that. Now I'll tell you about colors. That okay, I don't want everything to be in black color. So what do? You can just select green. Now you are drawing with green. That's pretty great. Over here you can see some kinds of pens are present over here. So let's check them out one by one. So this is a airbrush. Airbrushes are great if for creating backgrounds. Just like that, you can create a cool background for your website or whatever you are doing. Now the next thing that you will see is a marker. Marker is also great. Next, this one. Next is this. And the next is this. So these are some tools that you can use to create your arts, and you can see that there is a tool. If I click on something like that, so it will make it feel like a watercolor. So it's great to use. Now next option that we see is this. You can just draw rectangles like that. Then you can just, if you whatever you will fill in here, let's say I'll choose the bucket, and then I'll choose this. So the bucket will be like that. And I can also choose the color editor, choose the color. Now there is some other kind of a color. So it looks pretty great, and you can create good backgrounds with it. So that's how you can do that. Now the next thing that we see over here is Copic Library. It is just like basic colors for you to use, so that you don't have to make someone go on to Google, search for some colors and all that. Here there's an undo button and a redo button. Use that. Now I'll just open a new one, and then over here you can see that I can also I can also change the image size of this. You can just do that, and now you can go on to your recording software, and now you can record it. You can also enable blush palette, that brush library. You can see that there are some essentials such as erasers and soft erasers. I'll just tell you about them. So if you just I'll just quickly zoom into the normal. Then I'll just quickly do that. Done. Okay. Now what you can do is, if I click over and if I'm just in case, imagine that, let's go over here, Symmetry X, Symmetry Y. It's my favorite feature of the app. Just close it. I'll just quickly close it. And now what you can do is something like this. You can also just take in some kinds of tools that are present over here, such as rectangles. Just like that, you can create cool rectangles. Then there are some tools like symmetry that I already told you. So let's draw something with a symmetry so that you can also understand it and it will be great. So symmetry Y, symmetry X. These, don't forget that these can be used for creating arts also, but it won't be usually that diverse as of Fire Alpaca. According to me, Fire Alpaca is the best for creating digital arts, but this is also great. So let's start by creating something with a black color. But let it be white. No, white won't be seen clearly. I'll just pick up yellow. I like it. So you can see that how good we created it. Now we had selected a different kind of a brush. Now I could select different kinds of brushes and then do something like this, and you can see that the drawing is coming out pretty great. I can use the airbrush to color it up. So let me choose this color, close this. You can see that airbrush is something like this, so it may not always work, so you can also use this, which is great. Yeah, you can use this for painting manually, just like that. And here you have it. Now let me do a quick thing that you can come over here, select a plane, and then just put the color that you want, and you can just quickly fill it just like that. Now I will just quickly give that, and you can see that how easy is it to create good backgrounds and all that stuff over here. There are also some tools like for circle. For example, I want to create a circle from a diagram. I will just quickly create it with that. I don't have to look for it again and again. French curves are present over here, which are great for drawing, just like that. Now I'll just quickly select a circle like that. So I'll just quickly, let me open a new one because this is kinda messy, or I'll just quickly do it over here. I'll just disable it. New flipbook, new empty flipbook, no. Okay, done. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that you can also create animations over here. So it's not that great to use this software for animation, but still you can do it. It's pretty great. Like that, I will create something like this. Go to the second frame, something like that. Go to the third frame, something just like that. And now if I'll play it, will it work? Let's see. It was pretty quick, so I couldn't see that. You can do 1 frame per second, then you can maybe see it properly, but then also it will be pretty hard. So I'll just quickly create a bigger animation that it's clear for us to see that. See that how great drawings you can make over here. And yeah, see that? That's like a masterpiece. Done. You can also add text over here, just like that. So I'll just let one of them be a text. Go to the next frame. Let me draw something with the help of French curve. So it can be like a car logo also with this, just like that. I'll quickly select yellow. Done. And yeah, boom, you have it. It looks pretty awesome. I'll just quickly enable this, and now I'll just quickly draw some great things, just like you're seeing right now. You can see how easy is it to create mind maps with this sketchbook. and also digital art. So you can see how flawlessly I am making designs as good as this. If I use different colors, it will look even great. And just like that, I'll do that. And now I'll just do that and then that. And I have got many diagrams. I'll just quickly finish it because I don't want to waste your time. So you can see that it's pretty easy to create them, and I just want it to be 1 second long. I'll just quickly select 24 frames. Auto 240, okay. Done, 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 done. 19th frame was this. 14th was something like that. And then yeah, I play it like one minute. So you can see that I have created an animation just like that. It's pretty easy to do them, and you can see that in no time I created something like that. Now if I click on new flipbook, then I'll be able to create animation. If I just simply click on new, no, then I'll get something like this, and over here I can draw digital arts, and I can also create mind maps. So you can see that how good is it at this symmetry work, and it's pretty great for use. You can see in no time you can create wonderful arts. Even if you just want to use a circle, you can see that how great it looks, and after you will color it. I'll quickly do that. Done. Now what I'll do is come over here, clean color, select red as it, and then see that. That's done. Let's quickly do everything over here too. It may take a long time for doing, but it's all worth it after your project is done. Just like that, you can see how good it looks. So that's how you can create some files. You can also do yes, and you can also save them in any format that you like. So that was all the stuff that I wanted to tell you. You can just check it out, and it's a great software for use. And yeah, according to me, you can create digital arts also with this, but the Fire Alpaca software is best for digital arts right now according to me. And yeah, that was it for the video. If you haven't seen the day 1, 2, 3 and 4 till now, you can just quickly go and see those, because you would not want to miss those. So you can also see like that we can create straight lines for math formulas, and we can just create circles like that. You can see half circle done. Want to make a bigger circle, so just like that I'll create one. From here to here, done. Now I'll just quickly do that, and it's great. Now the thing that I wanted to tell you is that you should use this software like free-handed, then it will create massive digital arts just like you are seeing right now. Not at all planning anything over here, just I have enabled the symmetry setting, and then I'll just quickly go to the center, drag it like that, and then just draw something like that. These are called quick patterns that you can create pretty easily. I know it kinda looks like mess, but you can use that. And if you're wondering that where would they be useful, so if you are writing something like that, you want for example, if A is equals to B, okay, so you can see that it has created symmetries of it. Now it may not look wonderful, but they still do the work. that was like all the things that you need to know for creating these. Now you can watch the day 4, 2, 1 and stay tuned for day 6, which is the last day of the tech week. And don't worry, after the tech week also we'll be uploading regularly. With that being said, I would like to end this video.